Hello students, in this session
Let us solve a question on torsion. Consider a stepped shaft subjected to a twisting moment applied at B point, as shown in figure. Assume shear modulus G equal to 77 gigapascal. The angle of twist at C point is we have to find out, right? So this is the question of torsion basically. This was asked in GATE 2015. There is stepped shaft. You can see here stepped shaft is there, 20 mm and diameter is at one section and 10 mm diameter of the other section is there. Length of the AB and BC is same and a torque of 10 Newton meter is applied at point B. At section B, 10 Newton meter load is applied. We have to find out the angle of twist at C point. What is the angle of twist at C point? This we have to find out. So let us solve this question.
in this question we are given with a stepped shaft. Stepped shaft is there. One step is 20 mm and another step is 10 mm. The total length of the shaft is 500 mm plus 500 mm. It means this is 1 meter long is there. A torque is applied at point B, that is 10 Newton meter. We have to find out the angle of twist in point C. What is the total angle of twist at point C? Theta C we have to find out. Theta C, right? This we have to find out. So let us solve this question. Now in this question you can see here that no torque is applied at point C. It means at point C there is zero torque. So this body is in equilibrium. It means in part BC there is no torque actually, right? So if I divide it into two parts, like this part is A, B and another part is BC, like this is BC. Now B point is common to BC as well as AB, but this C point is not common to any other point of the shaft. So it means that whatever torque is at C, same torque in different direction should be at B, so that the body should be in static equilibrium. But there is no torque at point C, that's why the torque at B should be equal to 0, right? So if torque at this point is 0 in suppose clockwise, and there should be anti-clockwise torque here, and that is 0, no torque is there, right, here in this part of the shaft. So whatever torque is at B, that will remain in AB part of the shaft. So this will be 10 Newton meter here, and if it is clockwise then it should be anti-clockwise 10 Newton meter here, so that body may be in static equilibrium. So this is the torque condition. So zero torque is there. Here there is zero torque, right? If there is zero torque, then so there is no torque to twist this part BC. So whatever is the angle of twist of B, the same will be the angle of twist of C, right? So basically we have to find out in this question the theta B, because whatever theta B, same will be the theta C, because there is no torque or angle of twist in part BC. So the angle of twist in this part is same as that of the point B, right? So there is no torque in part BC, right? There is torque only part in AB, right? So theta B can be written as theta B, that is, we know the formula, traditional formula is there, that is TL upon GJ, right? The torque in this part AB, we are talking about AB part, L upon GJ, right? Because this part is fixed. So whatever is the twist, that is the AB part, because A is fixed, right? So theta B means here means theta AB, right? And theta A is 0, right? So torque is 10, length is 500 mm. G may be given to us, whatever is G given to us, 77 gigapascal. So G is given to us, that is 77 gigapascal. This is known to us, that is 77. Giga can be converted to megapascal by multiplying 10 power 3, and J is polar moment of inertia, that is pi by 32 d to the power 4, and D is this 20 mm, right? So pi by 32 d to the power 4, d to be taken of the bigger part, AB part, because we are finding the angular twist in B part, right? It is with respect to A, right? So theta B with respect to A is basically theta B, because theta A is 0 because it is fixed, right? So theta A will come out to be 0. So from here we can find out theta B, which will be the theta C, and that will come out in radian. When you solve it, it will come out in radian, which can be converted to degrees also. So 0.236 degrees, 0.236 degree. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question.